Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create the end credits for a video in Premiere Pro. Let's get started. I have this video with me. I'm going to drag it on and place it on my timeline. And now I'll be using the type tool and just click right here. Now let's copy some names. I have this website. It generates the name for you. This is just an example. So I'll be pasting all of these names just right here. Now we are not going to do anything right now, but first let's go to the window and click on Essential Graphics. Now we have this one. And now by selecting our text, first center align it and then bring it in the center just like that. I'm going to position it so that the first name is on the top. Yes, this looks good. Now select our text font. Yes, this looks good now. And after choosing the font, just click this part here. As you can see at the bottom, there's an option for responsive design time. You can just simply click on roll and it will ask you for the roll time and they will look like this. Now if I play this video, as I played the video, you can see all of the text that I have placed before is rolling. You can also add the fade effect so you can see the text clearly. Now by selecting this, go to the effect control and click on this opacity toggle animation. And just right here, decrease the opacity to 0. Now if I play this video, now let's just add the opacity to something like 40%. Now let's play the video again. And there you go. If you want to make the credits roll slowly, just increase the duration. And if you want your credit to be fast, just decrease the duration of the text. And that's how you can add the end credit rolls in Premiere Pro. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.